Welcome to Automotive Reviews TV, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and updates on the latest automotive innovations. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the Microlino, an urban electric vehicle that's redefining city commuting. Compact, stylish, and eco-friendly, the Microlino is designed to cater to modern urbanites who prioritize sustainability and convenience without compromising on design. Its unique retro-inspired aesthetic instantly grabs attention, but there's more to this small wonder than just its looks. Starting with the performance, the Microlino is powered by an efficient electric motor that offers a range suitable for daily urban commutes. Depending on the model, you can expect a range of up to 230 kilometers, making it ideal for navigating through busy streets and reducing the need for frequent charging. Charging itself is straightforward, with the vehicle supporting both standard household outlets and public charging stations, ensuring flexibility for users. Its nimble handling and compact size allow it to maneuver easily in tight spaces, making parking in congested urban areas a breeze. The Microlino doesn't just excel in performance, it also shines when it comes to design and functionality. Its retro-futuristic style is inspired by classic bubble cars, but it's infused with modern technology and features. The front entry door is a standout feature, offering easy access and maximizing space efficiency. The minimalist interior is cleverly designed, providing just enough room for two adults and some storage space for daily essentials. This focus on simplicity ensures that nothing feels overwhelming while maintaining a sense of practicality for urban use. Safety has been thoughtfully addressed in the Microlino, with a reinforced frame and essential safety features to provide peace of mind. While it may be smaller than traditional cars, it doesn't compromise on ensuring the safety of its passengers. The LED lighting system not only adds to its aesthetic appeal but also enhances visibility during nighttime driving, contributing to a safer ride. Customization is another highlight of the Microlino. Buyers have the option to choose from a range of vibrant colors and trim levels to suit their personal style. Whether you're a fan of sleek monochromatic finishes or bold, eye-catching hues, the Microlino has something to match every preference. The vehicle also integrates smart features such as digital displays for essential driving information and connectivity options, adding a touch of modernity to its overall appeal. One of the biggest advantages of the Microlino is its commitment to sustainability. As a fully electric vehicle, it produces zero emissions, contributing to cleaner air and a healthier environment. Its small size means it consumes fewer resources during production compared to larger vehicles, aligning with the growing demand for eco-friendly mobility solutions. For city dwellers looking to minimize their carbon footprint, the Microlino offers a perfect blend of functionality and sustainability. With rising urbanization and increasing traffic congestion, vehicles like the Microlino are becoming a necessity. They provide a practical solution for short-distance travel while addressing environmental concerns. Its compact size, combined with its advanced features and stylish design, makes it a strong contender in the electric vehicle market, particularly for those living in densely populated areas. If you're in the market for an efficient, stylish, and eco-conscious vehicle, the Microlino is worth considering. It's a refreshing take on urban mobility that manages to balance practicality and charm. That's all for today's review on Automotive Reviews TV. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with the latest in the automotive world, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We have plenty more exciting content coming your way, so stay tuned.